Welcome back to Tyne Valley. This time, the part 2 of our floor construction. In our last episode, we talked about fusion welding. This part 2 of the innovation profile focuses on the plane surface, otherwise known as the cold floor. One of the challenges we face is that we want to keep the piping in the middle of the concrete within the finished floor. In order to achieve this, the piping is laid upon what's called pipe chairs. The pipes are kept very close to each other to help ensure tight temperature control using rebar and mesh reinforcing grids. After a tremendous amount of fastening, securing, and inspection, the piping is pressurized to 4 times its typical working pressure for many days before we are ready to pour and level the concrete. The construction team is often aided with the use of laser leveling equipment to ensure a level plane surface at completion. While often completed using mechanical equipment, highly skilled trade people still level manually, as seen in our time-lapse video. On the day of pouring the concrete floor, a high level of logistics come into play. An example is the need to assemble work and inspection crews, as the concrete must flow continuously from start to finish. A typical practice is to have multiple cement trucks offloading to a common pump rig with an entire backup pump rig on site. This ensures that any breakdowns will not have any impact on the floor pouring. To ensure a high-quality plane surface, the floor must be leveled to 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters. Oftentimes, the concrete at the starting point begins to cure by the time the floor has reached mid or 3/4 pour. Once that concrete has started to set appropriately, the finishing crews polish the area. During the final steps, the floor is covered with curing blankets, and a full 28-day cure is observed before any activity commences. Stay tuned to IB Story for more innovative profiles and site updates.